Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about the coup in Gabon. The coup was announced on Wednesday, August 30th, just hours after the results of the presidential election were announced. The election was won by President Ali Bongo Ondimba, who has been in power since 2009. However, the coup leaders said that the election was fraudulent and that they were taking power to restore democracy to Gabon. According to information from RFI, a camera went to the Centre Gabonais de Elections, the organization that oversees the election, at around 1 in the morning to film the results as they were announced by Michel Stéphane Banda, the CG's president. They were read on Gabon Premiere, the country's television, a few hours later. But the first gunshots are heard near the end of the reading. The results are subsequently announced on Gabon 24, a television station with studios housed inside the presidential compound. We're overthrowing the current regime. Just before 5 a.m., when the statistics were startling, the stream was briefly interrupted. Then 12 soldiers show up on the screen. One of them reads a declaration calling for the annulment of the elections and the dissolution of the institutions and declares, "We're ending the regime in place." Red berets, gendarmes, Republican Guard, Green berets, and one civilian made up the group. Black berets, which are frequently worn by soldiers in armored units, are the one that is being read. He claims to be speaking for a committee for the transition and restoration of institutions. He says, "We decided to defend peace by ending the regime in place, citing an irresponsible, unpredictable governance that results in a continuous degradation of social cohesion at risk of leading the country into chaos." The general elections on August 26, 2023, as well as the results, are therefore cancelled. Borders being closed. The Senate, the National Assembly, the government, and the Constitutional Court are all abolished, the declaration reads. He went on to say, "We call the population to calm and serenity and reaffirm our commitment to respect Gabon's commitments to the international community, as well as announcing the closing of the nation's borders until further notice." The situation in Gabon is very uncertain at this time. It is unclear what the coup leaders' ultimate goals are or how they plan to consolidate their power. It is also unclear how the international community will respond to the coup. I will continue to monitor the situation and provide updates as they become available. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has been informative. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates on the situation in Gabon.